Welcome to Rubab Kitchen Secrets. Today I am sharing the recipe of yogurt burnt cake. It's very tasty, light and creamy yogurt cake. We need only 4 ingredients to make this delicious cake. Let's make it. First, add yogurt 500 grams into a mixing bowl. Beat a little. Now add a ½ cup sugar and mix. Add 4 large eggs at room temperature. And in last, we add a 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Mix all ingredients well. I am adding a ½ teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's totally optional. Now take a greased pan with butter paper. Pour all cake batter in cake pan. Preheat the oven and bake for 45 minutes at 350 C. Remove the bubbles. Yogurt cake is ready. Let it cool first. As it cools, it will shrink. The cake is completely cooled. Sprinkle some sugar powder if you like. Let's try this tasty yogurt burnt cake. It tastes a bit like cheesecake. Drizzle some honey and enjoy flirless cake. Thanks for watching.